Hello guys! Welcome to Rosa's Adventure! Today, maglalaro kami ng badminton with my friends here at Hongkong Sports Center. And as you see, there are a lot of people here now. And we're going to play for 2 hours. And this is enough for an exercise. At the same time, we're going to have fun. And I hope you will enjoy. Hello guys, here with me is Arli's Official, Bella's Wonder Channel, and Patch the Vlogger. We're here at Hong Kong Sports Center and we're gonna play badminton. And guys, there are a lot of people here and enjoy watching. And here we go! Ano ginagawa ng bayo? Ampas si Jerry. Ay, pabandana pa itong senden. Hindi, ibig siya may buhok mo. Para ka na nag-boxing. Nagla-live siya, okay na to. Pagkatanay, silila yatag. Okay na. Okay lang. Live ko lang, pindutin ko lang to. Okay na yan. Sarap ng buhay ko. Hello. Lens, ano, kaya pa? parang susuko na. Kabaan ka na kainday. May ano yung headband niya. May bendisyon. Wala na si energy si Ate Jelly, wala na. Yung pagpula ng pisngi niya. Wala na. Aray. Iba talaga pag mistisa, no? Parang sinampal. Iba talaga pag puti, no? Pag pinapawas-pawisan lang, may blush on na.
magkaintindihan. Makinig sa coach. Tira. Agoy. Si Ate Jelly kanina pa. Hindi na kinaya ni Ate Jelly. Wala nang power. Yahoo! Pak! Pak! In pa siya! Pak! Wala na. Hoy, magkano yung bayad ko dito? Dalawang kamay ko, hindi ko magalaw. Dalawang cellphone sa kamay ko. Kaloka. Grabe naman siya sa kabila. Oh, ang dami. Parang umulan na. Umulan ng sharp cats. Yan, Tijali! Yahoo! Kaya mo yan, te. Kamusta ang leg cramps mo, Vince? Okay na? Hanggang gabi pa yan. Oh, makinig sa coach. Tira, tira. Pak! Agoy! Agoy! Wala na nangyari si Ate Jelly. Itira, te. Out na. Uy, anong oras na? Anong oras na? Ay, ayun pala. May 10 minutes pa. Ay! Pak. Wow, galing, galing. Uy, ang ganda ng laban. Uy, yeah. Ay, nagugulas ng aking hands. I'm so tired. It's okay, I still have 5 minutes na nakasteady ganito. Change court? Oh wow, sana all. Mira na kay Mira na.
Hi, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. This is our pastime, it's our exercise every Tuesday, and I hope you enjoy. And if you have time, play badminton. You will get a lot of benefits of it. Bye bye. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye bye.